Hey guys, so I've been contacted by a company called Apexel asking me if I could review a USB LED video light kit. And even though this is not something that I typically do on this channel, I decided that I'll give it a try. You see, most of the time when I record the videos for my YouTube channel, I heavily rely on the sunlight because most of the time I just stand in front of the window and talk to you this way. You may not see it, but this is how it looks like. So I'm really curious if this video light kit gonna help me talk to the camera whenever there is not enough sunlight available and help me with my B-roll shots. So this is exactly what we got inside of the package, and as you can see, these are two LED lights that come with two separate light stands. I must say these two are pretty convenient because they can extend up to 145 centimeters, which is really nice. So these two LED lights can be used for taking photos or recording a video, and hopefully I can use them to take my thumbnail photos and record B-roll shots so I don't have to rely on sunlight anymore. So both of these LED lights are mounted on a ball head, and because of that you can rotate it in 360 degrees, or if you so desire, you can even tilt it up and down. So this LED light has around 10 levels of brightness in it, and you can change between them with the control panel, which is very easy and intuitive to control. And with the mode button in here, you can change the white balance. So you can select between three different color temperatures, starting from 3000 kelvins up to around 5600 kelvins. So inside of the package there are also a couple of color cards such as blue, green, yellow and red, and you get two of those for each color. So you can use these color cards to cast a certain type of color on the wall, for example, like many people on YouTube do. So once you set everything up correctly facing against the wall, it may look like this. So what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool. Lastly, these LED lights come with a small wireless remote control, so you can control your both LED lights from a distance. And with this remote control, you can power on and off the LED light, increase or lower the brightness, or even change the color temperature. And you can use this remote control to control either one LED light or two of them at the same time, which is pretty convenient, I must say. But what I really like about it is that you don't feel overwhelmed with it. There are not that many buttons to choose from with functions that you hardly ever use. Alright guys, so this is what Apexel FL19 Video Light Kit has to offer. And I must surprise you because this Video Light Kit is extremely budget friendly. Because everything that I showed you in this video costs around $49. And currently you can get it even cheaper than that because they are running a promotion on it. So you can get it for like $37. Plus my discount code, which is like 15% off, which makes it extremely affordable. So if you're looking for a light for your videos, well, 2 of them to be precise, then it's a really interesting option to get you started. So are these 2 lights in here the best lights on the market? Well, probably not, but for that price you can learn, get experience, and once you're ready, you can simply invest in something better in the future. So I think if you're looking for a video or photo light for live streaming, B-rolls, product photography, or simply your YouTube channel, I think that these 2 are really affordable options. So for today's video, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!